need to do one of these types of products. There was a gap in the market for iGuzzini. These types of fittings are very large, very bulky, and they're normally in huge factories and warehouses and airports and that kind of thing. But what we were trying to do with this one is make a product that would work well in smaller spaces. So we're thinking a lot more about retail, supermarkets, and how the product could cross over from these huge spaces to the smaller spaces. And the main idea, or the main feature, is the fact that this is separated. The gear housing, which in itself is very large, is separated from the reflector. So this space here, this is the unusual part, this is the key to the design, is to do with separation. We've isolated the lamp holder and the reflector from the gear. Within the large dome reflector, there's a small reflector which supports some coloured filters which are probably about that diameter. And then those filters, like if you wanted to enhance the colours for red meat, you would have a red filter. If you want to enhance the colours of fish, you'd have a... It would have a long product life, would sit in a space without being overpowering. So it's got to be clean and simple, more like a spotlight, and not following fashion, if you like, or more to do with having a long product life, not being fighting with the environment, so in harmony with the environment. It could be used in offices, it can be used in museums and medium-sized spaces. So what we're trying to do is trying to make a fitting that would cross over between all the types of spaces, instead of making one large industrial fitting which would suit big spaces but doesn't really translate to small areas. That's really at the back of our minds what we're trying to do. This is it's a highly powered professional tool basically, and it's very difficult to hide, so you try and make something of it, but I don't want it to be aggressive and loud. I want it to be understated and refined. That's what we're trying to do all the time. Restrained, not overpowering. So it's there, but you're not going to be